In this video, we will show you how to import a CSV or Excel file into your SigParser account. If you have CSV or Excel files with contact, company, or coworker data, these can be easily imported into SigParser, so all your contacts are in one place. To import a CSV or Excel file into your SigParser account, go to Settings, Imports, File Imports, select Import. Use the drop-down menu to select what type of data you are importing: contact, company, or coworker data. Then select your file, either CSV or Excel, then select Next. Then you will select how you want your fields to map from your file to SigParser. Essentially, you are mapping your file column headers to corresponding column headers in SigParser. By leaving a field unmapped, leaving as Select an Option, this field will be skipped and not imported into SigParser. Advanced options allow you to optimize your file import. You can select the date the file was created, and this will help SigParser determine interaction data and the accuracy of imported records versus any that already exist from your mailbox scan. If you are confident in the accuracy of the data in your file, select a high source score. SigParser will then treat the file as a source of truth for any duplicates that are found. If the data in your file may be inaccurate, select a medium or low quality score, and SigParser will defer to the data scanned from your mailbox as the source of truth. When you are done, click Upload and wait for the import to complete. To view your file import history, go to Settings, Imports, File Imports. From this page, you can see, search, and filter your file import history, select the file for more details, and select Import to import another file. You can also import by going to the Contacts, Companies, or Coworkers pages and selecting Import from that page.